Hey everyone, welcome to Trend Street.
Camryn Grimes, the actress who plays the role of Mariah Copeland on Y&R, shared a heartbreaking post on her Twitter last weekend. She revealed that her youngest sibling, Peyton, received a frightening diagnosis after being rushed to the hospital last Friday. In the wake of it, the actress appealed to her fans for help. Hi everyone, last Friday, March 19th, my little sister Peyton was rushed to Children's Hospital Los Angeles for a then unknown medical condition. Lots of tests, scans, and ultrasounds later, we got the devastating diagnosis of lymphoma. We have a long, hard road ahead, and no one more so than Peyton, Grimes wrote. My brother and I have put a GoFundMe together for Peyton that is launching today. I'm attaching the link below. Please donate if you can. If not, repost, retweet, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and get this as far and wide as humanly possible. My sister and my family will be forever in your debt. I will forever be in your debt, she added. As per the latest update from Camryn, Peyton's biopsy surgery was completed. We are so very happy to let everyone know that Peyton's first and scariest step towards her long road to recovery was successful. Her biopsy surgery completed all scheduled tasks and will finally let us know what type of lymphoma and what stage it is in. We could not be more elated, all things considered. Once we have the results in the next few days, they can decide what treatment to attack this monstrous growth that is trying to strangle her insides, she wrote. The Grimes family still needs huge support to overcome this tough time. For anyone interested to help, we have left a link to their GoFundMe page in the description below. Our thoughts and prayers are with the family.
Thank you for checking this video out. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. Turn that bell notification on if you want to hear from us, and comment down below if you've subscribed, and we'll make sure to reply and thank as many of you as we possibly can.